Salam everyone, hello and welcome. This is Aya for Grafix. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an easy home decor using an amazing product called opaque white craft plastic. So let's talk a little bit about the opaque white craft plastic by Grafix. First, it's suitable for all types of media like alcohol inks, alcohol pearls, watercolor paint, you name it. Also, this is a water-based media, so everything will flow on the surface. Finally, I have this pack is 25 sheets and 12 by 12 inches, so this is a bonus because you can cut it whatever size you would like. So the supplies I'm going to use today, obviously, the opaque white craft plastic, alcohol inks, gold ink, rubbing alcohol, air puffer, or you can use your heat tool or a straw, or you simply can use your mouth, to blow and move alcohol inks around. So let's get started. Here I am putting thin lines to the craft plastic. You can add big dots if you want like a bold background, or you can add small dots for a simple background. But remember, a little goes a long way. Here I'm using also 3 colors and adding rubbing alcohol to move it and lighten it. You can stop at any time, but as I said, the cool thing here, if you would like to start over, just use alcohol swab and it will clean it all off. I'm using air puffer and heat tool to blow the air and move the colors around. I'm continuing adding colors and I'm trying to be a little bit careful not to over mix colors, so I will not end up with the muddy colors. This is what I really love about large size of craft plastic. As a code maker, you can cut the craft plastic easily into 4 A2 panel, the size of 4.25 by 5.5. So here I'm adding gold ink in a thin lines and I'm moving it around using air puffer. If you want to use alcohol gold ink, which is called maxative, you can drip some blending solution. It's rubbing alcohol. So this is tend to break the maxative or the alcohol gold ink. Here is another example where I did the same pattern of thin lines, but this time I used 4 light colors. This is a used sheet which I just flip it over. Of course, you can use a new one or you can just clean it using alcohol swab. Again, adding movement by using a heat tool, and also I used gold ink. And look at the gorgeous look you get. So here we come to the end of part 1, and I'm going to see you in part 2 where I'm gonna show you how to mountain and resin your design. Thank you so much for watching and I will catch you next time. Bye!